What's going on, traders? So, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my options that I've kind of told you I was doing, but didn't really dive into, slash, just wanted to kind of give you an update. So, since I inserted the money, you can see that I started with 25,106. The 106 was actually a bonus from transferring from one broker of Interactive Brokers to Robinhood. They gave me that little bit extra. And then they actually also gave me an extra 250.97, I think, once the rest of it actually came through. And it was just a percentage. I think it was a 1% or something. I don't remember exactly what it was, but as you can see, 1% of 25K is about 250 bucks. So that was where that came from. I'm not exactly sure where the 112 came from, but actually that might have been, no, it wasn't interest. I don't remember exactly where that came from, but I transferred 25K and I ended up with 25, 357, 71 before I really started actually trading, as you can see back here on November 19th. So, or 18th or whatever day it was. Then I started to actually trade. And I don't really want to dive too deep into it. I mean, you can see we're doing pretty well overall. My current open positions are over here. We have a covered call on Oxy that expires next Friday, a cash secured put on Penn, which expires next Friday. And then we have 5 leap options, which all expire in 2026. The top 4, CGC, ChargePoint, JD, and Oxy all expire in January, and then FSR expires in September of 2026. So those are some long terms that I am just these CGC, ChargePoint are kind of home run type plays. Same with FSR. JD and Oxy were actual, like legit, like I was buying low, looking for those to go a little bit higher. And so far they have. So that's where the bulk of this has come from. And I think in premiums, like just last week, we made $105 on premiums. We sold a put on Wayfair, as well as what was the other one that we sold it on? Probably tell you if I pull the chart up. Oh, A-Firm. And that was the other one that we sold a put on. Those were both $35 each. And then we sold this cover call on Oxy and the one on Penn. The one on Oxy, I think, was $10, and the one on Penn was $22 for the cash secured put. So I mean, nothing too special here. This is a little bit more passive, kind of look at it throughout the day, especially when it gets closer to the end of the week, especially if we have open options. I'm also looking for, it's a lot of patience. It's a lot of just waiting for things to set up on the daily and kind of jumping in when I feel it's right. So that was really just an update. Just wanted to kind of give you a heads up. If there is any questions about what I'm doing with the options portfolio, feel free to ask. I'm always going to be open and transparent, always have been, always will be. And that's really all I have. Appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Appreciate the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.